How to log out of your account on League of Legends. At the home page of the game, you want to simply tap on your profile at the top right of your screen. You want to simply tap on it. After that, you'll be able to see your settings, and on the settings you want to scroll down all the way from here. And at the very bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see an logout option. You want to simply tap on log out. After that, you'll be able to see the log out pop-up. You want to simply tap on log out. And by doing so, you have successfully logged out of your account and you will be back to the login page again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.